Miley Cyrus has officially confirmed her engagement to Maxx Morando, and fans are buzzing with excitement. This surprise announcement came during the Avatar premiere, a moment that left everyone, including Miley, speechless. The couple has been dating for 4 years, since their memorable blind date in December 2021. Now, they're ready to take their love to the next level. Sources close to the couple reveal that the proposal was nothing short of magical. Maxx proposed during a romantic trip to Japan. Can you imagine? Miley, the queen of surprises, was completely caught off guard. Let's dive into the details of this beautiful love story. Miley Cyrus shared that Maxx's proposal was orchestrated perfectly. Picture this. She's in Japan, enjoying the moment, when suddenly, Maxx gets down on one knee. Miley couldn't believe it. She loves to control every situation, but this time she surrendered. In interviews, she admitted that she was truly shocked. It was a turning point in their journey together. After 4 years of dating, this proposal showed how much trust she has in Maxx. It's clear that he knows her well, and it was a moment she'll never forget. Their love story is blossoming, and fans can't wait to see what's next. Now, let's talk about the engagement ring. Designed by the talented Jacquie Aiche, it's truly one of a kind. The ring features a stunning cushion-cut diamond set on a thick 14-karat yellow gold band. It's estimated to be between 3.5 to 5 carats. What makes it special? The diamond is positioned horizontally, creating a modern look that's totally Miley. This bold design perfectly matches her vibrant personality. Photographers captured every dazzling angle when she debuted the ring at the Avatar premiere. It's not just a ring, it's a statement piece, a reflection of her unique style and love. As we look ahead, what's next for this happy couple? Miley and Maxx have shared a beautiful journey, filled with love and adventure. Their timeline shows milestones that fans cherish. They met on a blind date in late December 2021, confirmed their romance in April 2022, and now they're engaged. It's a love story that resonates with many. As they prepare for their wedding, excitement fills the air. Will it be a grand celebration or an intimate affair? Only time will tell. One thing is certain, their love story is just beginning, and we're all here for it. Miley Cyrus and Maxx Morando's engagement is a testament to love and trust. It reminds us that sometimes the best surprises come when we least expect them. From a blind date to a breathtaking proposal, their journey is inspiring. As fans, we celebrate their happiness and look forward to the next chapter. Will they share more details about their wedding plans? We can't wait to find out. For now, let's raise a toast to Miley and Maxx. Here's to love, laughter, and a beautiful future together.